Alright guys, we are at Kevin's shop. We got the chassis for the Trog car, body sitting there, paint is done. We're going to slap the body on, slap everything else on, and get this car back together. This thing is going to look wicked when it's on this black chassis. I can't wait. So let's watch the guys do the thing. Alright you guys, we're just going to keep plugging away on the Trog car. We're going to keep getting stuff added to it. We'll have pictures with tons of updates here soon. Till then, we'll catch you guys soon.